Welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather Corinne, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet a star. This can be used as an applique or an ornament or sewn together to create a 3D star. Several of my free crochet patterns require a star, so I thought it would be nice for the visual learners out there to make a little video showing how to crochet this quick and easy 5-sided star. I'll post a list of stitches and materials we'll be using in the description box down below, and let's get started working on these little stars. Today I'm using a size G or 4mm crochet hook, but you can choose a larger hook or a smaller hook and bulkier or lighter weight yarn. Today this is what we're going to be working with is worsted weight yarn and a size G crochet hook. This particular brand is I Love This yarn in the color white. To begin our crochet star, we're going to create a magic circle. Now we have our magic circle. We're going to place 10 single crochet into our magic circle. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, oops, and 10. And I'm just going to count back through and make sure we have exactly 10. And we do. So now we're going to take this loose end on the magic circle and we're going to pull it tight to cinch up the center into an actual circle. Now we're going to slip stitch into the first single crochet of that round to complete the circle's edge. So that's a slip stitch, and here's the beginning. Don't worry about the little hole that is visible in the center. We'll address that at the end. So now we're going to repeat the same steps over and over 5 times to create the 5 points around our star. We're going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to count down to the 3rd stitch from the hook. So that's 1, 2, 3. 3rd stitch from the hook, 1, 2, 3. We're going to single crochet into that stitch, and in the next stitch we're going to half double crochet. So it's a yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. And in this last chain, we're going to double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we've created one of the points and we need to attach it to the base of the circle. So we're going to skip 1 stitch and slip stitch into the next stitch. And now we have 1 point of our star completed. So we're going to repeat that 4 more times. So where we are from this slip stitch, we're just going to chain 5, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to count down 1, 2, 3 from our hook, single crochet, half double crochet into the next stitch, and then double crochet into the last chain stitch, I accidentally half doubled just there, but it should have been a double crochet. Skip one and slip stitch into the base. Chain 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3 stitches down from the hook, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, half double crochet, and then double crochet. Skip 1 stitch and slip stitch to the base of the circle. Now we've got 3 points. Chain 5, single crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook, half double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the last stitch, skip 1 stitch and slip stitch into the next on the base of the circle. And for our last point, chain 5, one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3rd stitch from the hook, single crochet, half double crochet, and then double crochet. To join to the base, we're going to skip 1 and slip stitch into that same one that started the beginning of the first point. So we're just going to slip stitch. And I like to tie off with a long enough tail to either attach the star to the project or a shorter tail if you're just going to use it for another purpose, like maybe an ornament. So here we're going to snip it off and pull through that last slip stitch. And now we have our star. See how there's a little hole left in the center from the magic circle. So we're just going to turn that over and pull that tail in whichever direction it's naturally coming out of the back. So here it's going to be in this direction. So I'm just going to pull that tight to cinch up the center so you can't see that hole through the middle anymore. And to secure it in place, we're going to weave this longer tail in down towards the center. So I'm just going to use my crochet hook for this. I'm going to pull it through the back side to the front, maybe here. And then pull it from the front towards the center, maybe here. So I'm going to come up through the bottom and weave it down onto the back side. So now with that magic circle pulled nice and tight, I'm going to tie the 2 tails together on the back just using a simple double knot. So here we have our completed cute little star applique. We've got our tails on the back side ready to attach it to our project, or we can snip them off if we're going to be using it for another purpose. For this particular project that I'm working on is an American flag wreath. So I'm going to make a bunch of stars and use the long tails to stitch the star down onto the wreath base. I've also used these stars as ornaments, or I've attached two of them together with the front sides facing out to create like the point of a Christmas tree cuddle buddy. So in that case, I put them back to back and then stitched them together all the way around. The possibilities are endless. I hope you've enjoyed crocheting this fun project with me. It's quick and easy, and you could easily size it up or down using different yarn and a crochet hook. I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Happy crocheting!